Which equation you use?
Okay, for yn, doctor. Okay, 1 second.
So
Oh,
we use 1008 1008 1008 yn 1.68.
sorry, doctor. I just missed my paper. Just 1 minute, doctor. I give the yn. Okay.
I think in this case you can use 1.68 one.
Yep, doctor. 1.68.
Okay, 1.68 because this is somewhere here.
Doctor,
Okay.
if I use 1.3558 means it's wrong, doctor. Is that wrong?
Yeah, you can use that one. Actually, okay. The issue is the correct is okay. You can to select the yn equation actually is based on our hardness. Okay, our hardness is 240. Okay, okay. As you if you can see, load cycle is 08, 08. Okay, 200 around 200. Okay, 08 is somewhere here. Okay.
Doctor, I can't see the picture, doctor. Okay.
Okay, then 200 is okay. This what we can see that is between 160 and 400. 200 is actually is a middle. Middle. So
Okay, doctor. Actually,
middle, if middle, so it's not very clear on which since it's in the middle, so we can use it actually either 1.6 or 1.3. So
okay.
but
So
200.
1.3, doctor. 1.6 also okay, doctor, for me because I got to 1.6.
Okay, so you can actually we can use 1.6 because 200 is still low hardness.
Okay.
Okay, so 1.6, 1.6. Okay, how about this one Zn?
Okay. For Zn, I use 2.466.
2.466. Okay, 2.466. Okay, okay, 2.4. 2008. 1 to the power of 8. To the power of 8 is still in this area. Okay, so the best is to use 1.44.
Best is to use 1.44. Okay, doctor.
Okay, never mind. I just okay. We try to use the same equation so that we can compare the safety factor value.
Okay, okay, doctor.
Okay, so in this case, you use 2.46.
Yeah, yeah, doctor. 2.46.
Okay, next set 2.
Set 2. Okay, 1 minute, doctor. Okay. Set 2. Okay. 2060, doctor. Okay. 2060. And then the hmm,
Face width.
okay. Grade 1. Both also grade 1, doctor.
Face width. Face width. Face width.
Oh, face width. Okay. Actually, the both also I get face width with 30.
Okay. All right. So grade 1, the hardness.
Okay. Hardness, same doctor, 240.
Gear
Gear 2,
2,
200.
grade 1.
Grade 1, 200, doctor.
All right. How about working characters?
Okay, this one is middle, doctor. Working character is middle.
Huh? Middle.
Oh, sorry, moderate. Sorry,
Middle.
moderate shock.
Commercial.
And then for YN, I use 1.3558.
Is it commercial quality?
Yes, doctor. Commercial enclosed.
Quality number.
Quality number 4, doctor.
So this one YN.
YN, I use 1.3558.
Okay.
Was ZN use 1.488.
Okay. Right. Gear 2.
Yeah, doctor.
Gear 2.
Okay. For gear 2, press cycles, opinion, and gear 2. Okay, P1, G2. Same, doctor. I use both also same. I don't know whether that is correct or not.
What is it? 1.3 eh?
Yeah.
1.35. 1. 1.6 ZN 1. Let's read that. 2.4 cc. 1.44 eh?
Yep, doctor. 1.44. Is that correct, doctor?
0.6 eh? 10 to the power 6 should be 2.4. Never mind, I just follow and then we discuss which equation. Okay, all right. Then, okay. Now we compare the safety factor.
Okay. Safety factor. Okay, doctor. Is that my answer? I have to same with this one, doctor.
Of course.
So I get 1.943.
Okay, 1.943.
943.
Okay, good.
And FOS. Where FOS? Wait, doctor. 1 second. SF. Sorry.
SH.
One second, doctor. So SF. Sorry, doctor. If I get FS is over 2.0, is that correct, doctor?
This should be the answer.
Okay. So this one.
Just mention your result of safety factor.
Okay, doctor.
1.943, and then where untuk opinion?
Okay, where untuk opinion? 1.077.
0.07. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Here.
2.4.
Okay, good. Correct.
And then this one I get 1.45. 1.045.
0.0.
45.
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay.
This is going to be problem.
Okay. Set 2. Actually, doctor, I not yet done with the set 2 because we recently changed the gear ratio, but I not effort to finish that set 2.
Okay, never mind. Okay. All right. So far, set 1 should be no problem.
Okay.
Okay. You come up with the correct answer.
Okay, doctor.
Okay. But in set 2, if that's true, what's your understanding?
Some of my calculating equations are wrong. Maybe the yn, zn.
Oh, no. Okay. No, okay. Let's say we assume all the equation is correct.
If correct
Okay.
means
Okay. Okay. At the first stage, let we assume that all the equation is correct, and this is the
So-
answer. What is your understanding?
So maybe the Brinell hardness is got problem, doctor.
No. Okay, we assume everything is correct. You use the correct equation. You use the correct information.
Okay.
So this is the answer. What is your understanding?
It's very less if compared. It's not yet reached 1. So the bending stress is very less.
Okay, so the easiest answer is definitely is fail. Less than 1.
Yes.
Okay, that's very clear. Less than 1, 0 point something is very clear. All right. Okay. And then, okay, this should be all the answer lah. Acting load, whatever. Okay. Okay, similar to others. Okay, what we can do, what we need to do if for set 2, let's say in other group, let's say either set 1 or set 2, you got this kind of low fail. You got the fail answer. Okay, in your opinion, what is the one of the method, one of the way to improve to increase the safety factor? Do you have any idea what to do in your group? Anybody can give some ideas, some input, your opinion?
Change material.
Okay, any more? Others? Just go back to the equation. It's very simple. Just go back to the equation. Input parameter. Input parameter. All right. Let's say in set 2.
Doctor, is there doctor sharing your screen, doctor?
Yeah, I'm sharing. Yes, I'm share the screen. Wait, I stop again. I present again. Okay, is it okay? The screen?
Yeah, doctor. Okay.
All right. Okay, it's very simple. Just okay. Just go back to our calculation. What is the input parameter? One of the parameter is the
Brinell hardness, doctor.
Brinell hardness. Brinell hardness, the properties of the gear is one of the input parameter. Logic in term of calculation, mathematics. If you increase the Brinell hardness, you can increase all the strength, allowable strength, contact strength, whatever, and in the same way, it will increase the safety factor. Okay, that's one thing. It's fail, you can increase the hardness. Okay, sometimes you don't have these, let's say in the catalog, okay, in the catalog, let's say the highest is, let's say in our case 240, let's say the highest is 300. Okay, not significant increase. It's about 60. Not significant increase. Okay, therefore you can make another, maybe a simple sentence. Okay, so okay, to increase the hardness, so we require the supplier to produce or to supply us with let's say 400 Brinell hardness. You can state that kind of statement. Another way is we can increase the module, or you can increase the phase width, the F value. This is the respect to mathematical equation. If you increase this value, F, you can have, you can increase the value of hardness. Sorry, the value of safety factor. Okay, just now I would like to make correction here or explanation regarding these equation, especially Raja and the rest. Okay, just now, okay, why we use Yn? Okay. In the first place, we start, okay. Okay, in the first place just now, we have okay. I want all the group to have this U shape. U shape means that this is set 1, this is set 2. Okay, so it means that this is power from motor. Okay, shaft 1, shaft 2, and shaft 3. That's why U. Is it clear? I don't want S or whatever. Just for we just use a standard U shape. Okay, and then okay, and set 1, set 1, set 2. 2 set only. Okay, then all right. So from here we can see our load cycle. Okay, let's say in this case, our load cycle here is 10 to the power 8. And then so according to gear ratio, and then on the next shaft, this will be a different. Then on the, okay, in this case 2008 for next load, okay, to the power of 7. And then if you can see here, reduced to the third is 6. Right. Okay, then okay. So for the first, okay, set 1. Z1 is 1 2000 1 okay. Power 10x 10x. So 10x is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. This is 10 3 4 5 6 7 8 somewhere here. 1 1 somewhere here. Okay, so the correct equation should be between 1.3 and 1.68, 1.35 and 1.68. Okay, and it's depend to the value of our hardness. Okay, if close to 400, so you should select the top equation. If close to 150, use the bottom one, 168. So if let's say 200 something is a bit in middle, so you can use either 1.6 or 1.3. Okay, I hope that's very clear. The second one is load cycle. Okay, sorry, the value equation for Zn. Okay, the Zn is okay. In our case, okay, Zn, okay, pinion 1 and gear 1. Okay, the load cycle will be different because different of shaft, different shaft. Different shaft, there will be a different load cycle. Alright, in this case, if you calculate, still it's still on 0 to the power of 8. Okay, so to the power of 8 somewhere here. So to the power of 8, see, so you need to use 1.44. Okay, Raja, this one should be 1.44. Please remember that.
Okay, doctor.
And then, okay, for gear 1 is already on shaft number 2. So if you calculate the RPM, the load cycle is now is 10 to the power of 7. 7, okay, 7 will be somewhere here. 7. 7, so it will be before the crossing point. Crossing point. So you need to use between these 2.4 or Nitridate. Okay, since our case mostly is steel, so the best is to use 2.466. Okay, so please the rest you can just snap these you can snap and just make note that for the gear number 1, if you use the similar load cycle, should be you need to select 2.466 equation.
So doctor, now in the screen they got for pinion 1 is 1.68, Zn is 1.44, and another for pinion, that one is correct, right? That the form for meters is correct, right, doctor? The two YNs and two ZNs are correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and then for set 2, okay, is set 2 if calculate is because on the set 2 here, okay, now we're talking about pinion number 2. Pinion number 2 is here. Okay. So in the same shaft will be, so it will have the same load cycle. Therefore, is 10 to the power of 7. Okay. All right. 10 to the power of 7 is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere. So the value is 1.4. Okay. 1.4. 1.4. Okay, 1.4 to the power of 7 is somewhere here. 1 here. Okay. Is just before the just before the crossing point. Crossing point. Okay, so in this case, 1.355. Okay,
Excuse doctor, sorry doctor.
yeah.
Doctor, the phase width just now for set 2 is 40, doctor. I wrongly mentioned.
What is it?
Phase width.
40.
Yeah, 40.
Okay. Okay, back to just now the equation. Okay, 1.4. 1.4 is somewhere here. It's just before the crossing point. If you can see here, the small the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 1.11 to the 1.4 something to the power of 7 is somewhere here. Okay, all right. So in this case, okay, it depends to the value of our hardness. Our hardness is what's the value? 240. Okay, so 240, 250 center. So Nitridate. Okay, so the best is to use the Nitridate. Is it Nitridate? No. Okay, 250. Close to 250. So is YN should be 4.9. Center 4.9. So this one should be YN equal 4.94. Okay, this is the best. This should be the correct. Okay, Zn 1 to the power of 7. Okay, this is okay. We not use it in Nitridate. So still 2.4 is it Nitridate? No, 2.44. So this one should be this one. Okay, and then Z. Okay, Yn is now Yn is 4.7. Okay, 4.7 to the power of 6. 4.7 to the power of 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all right, somewhere here. 250. Okay, so you need to use 4.9 also. 4.9. Just now one something. Okay. Okay. Similar. So use 4.9. Okay, and then Zn 4.7 somewhere here. Okay, so 2.46. Okay, this is the correct equation. You can snap.
Okay, doctor. Doctor can scroll a bit up, doctor. Can I see the up one, the before 40, before the phase width? Oh, okay. Okay, doctor. Thank you.
You can see here, hardness through harden, Nitridate through harden. Okay, still or somewhere. Okay, all right. So I save here. Why cannot see? Okay. Okay, so this is the new after make some correction, new. Okay. Okay, if you can see there, for gear set 1 gear, set 1 gear 1, it just border 1.05. But still accept lah. Okay, so I hope this is clear explanation, especially group Raja and the rest. Okay, and then okay, any okay, thank you. I think it's I think is quite enough for Raja's group to discuss on this. Any more? Any other group wish to present something? Especially, maybe especially those first time,
Nak doktor?
boleh. Please present.
Okey, sekejap doktor.
Okay.
Boleh nampak ke doktor? Ini yang kami
Okay.
dah present kat doktor minggu lepas. Cumanya
Alright.
kami dah tukar dia punya speed.
Okay. So you group apa?
Sugarcane machine.
I mean group code.
Sekejap.
Section S3K02. 01. S301.
S3
K01.
Satu. Okay. S3 sekejap. S3 K01. Nama apa? Nama grup?
Panda Mekanika. Panda Mekanika. Panda. Sugarcane punya.
Okay. Right. Sugarcane Alright. Okay. So first RPM berapa?
RPM 1450.
Kau punya RPM sugarcane machine 1450.
Sebab daripada teacher review saya tengok dia punya
Make sense lah sebab commercial lah, sebab 14 laju lah tu masuk akhirnya dalam berapa, kalau speed tu berapa tu meter per second berapa ingat. Okay, tak apa. Okay, itu kau punya speed ya. Talk dapat
Sekejap sir, saya nak buka.
Kau nak buka apa ni?
Saya tanya
Dapat.
kan?
Ni
dah.
dekat present ni, Kak Ila. Nampak tak?
Okay, nampak? Kau nampak ke apa yang korang sikit tunjuk ni?
Top
Okay.
8.415 Newton meter.
Okay, macam mana kau kira?
Guna formula T sama dengan FCR. FC tu adalah crushing force.
Okay.
Ah,
FCR. Okay, so kau dapat 8.415 Newton meter
betul.
Alright, so 8415 kali dengan kau punya omega 125. So kau dapat kilowatt dia berapa? 1 kilowatt.
6.
1.06 kilowatt
1.06.
Okay, alright. Sebelum aku, okay, sekarang ni kalau kau compare kau punya produk, kalau kau compare kau punya calculation dengan existing produk, ada tak yang sama dari segi size ke, speed ke?
Untuk motor ke sir?
No, I mean yes, sistem yang close to dengan size yang kau nak buat, berapa motor size dia pakai? Untuk power.
Ada. Sebab saya dah jumpa katalog motor. Jadi ada yang dekat dengan dia punya ni lah.
No, I mean existing product.
Oh,
Masa kau
ada.
buat
Ada. Ada
dia
dekat
punya
ni.
RPM apa?
Dia punya RPM sekarang ni RPM yang paling dekat. Sekejap. Mana saya punya tulis ni? Yang paling tinggi saya dapat 1500 RPM, yang paling rendah 1400.
Okey. Berapa motor dia pakai?
Motor yang diorang pakai 1 HP sehingga 1.5 range motor.
Lebih kurang 1.5 horsepower lah.
Horsepower dia lebih kurang 1.5 horsepower.
Okay. Alright. So, okay. So, aku rasa dah boleh proceed dengan okay, good. Okay. Aku nak okay. Right. Sekarang ni tengok aku punya screen pula. Okay, so kau punya speed dengan RPM apa? Zaya tadi kau calculate.
Kita pilih 1200.
1, 2. No. Yang kau calculate awal. 1, 4 apa tadi? Bukan kau pilih masa yang kau yang kau select speed yang kau ambil speed yang kau ambil. Speed yang kau pilih.
Yang dalam range tu doktor.
I know dalam range, yeah. But in your calculation, what is your input speed? RPM?
1200 sir.
1200. Tadi kata 1400 lebih. Okay, 1200 RPM. Okay. So you punya top just now berapa? 1, 4, 1, 2.
125.66.
125.
Yang tu omega. Jap. Kenapa mengong ni baca kiraan sendiri? Betul lah 125.66.
Okay. Sorry. So efficiency berapa? Okay. So berapa power required? Wrong.
Salah tok
Aku dah
dia
salah ni.
8.415.
Ha?
Okay. 8.415
Berapa?
tok dia.
Speed apa?
Speed
Tak yang kau tunjuk tadi.
tujuh 117.5.
Tak, kau punya speed RPM. Berapa?
717.5 RPM.
Ha?
717.5 RPM. Required speed kan sir?
Desire speed lah. Desire. Yes.
717.5 RPM.
Jadi kau cakap 1000 lebih tu apa?
1000 lebih tu yang apa benda nak cakap base calculation tu, yang anggapan pertama tu. Kita kira kan based on assumption tu kan.
Should be. Okay, the first step is you tahu dia punya range speed berapa tadi. You cakap in between 1200 until
1500.
1500.
Yang
Okay.
assumption tu kan.
Itu bukan assumption, itu based on you punya literature review.
Yang
Speed
dah cari
untuk-
dekat mesin sedia ada.
Based untuk existing machine, sugarcane machine, industrial speed dia 1200 hingga 1500
Betul.
RPM. Betul? Betul tak betul ni? Macam tak confident je.
Betul.
Okay.
Nanti saya dah letak dekat
Alright.
info.
Lepas tu, you pilih you punya machine, speed dia berapa? Speed dia berapa RPM? You pilih. Masa you nak kira omega tu, omega you berapa tadi? 125
Omega tu 125.66 doktor. Kan doktor? Omega tadi tu 125.66.
Okay. You kira omega, you pakai RPM kan?
Yes doktor.
RPM you berapa?
8.145.
8.1 RPM 8.145.
Sekejap doktor.
Dia mudah je ni. Ini macam orang tanya kau buat kerja ke tak betul. Tadi soalan pertama, info yang kita nak ialah engkau bincang, engkau maklumkan kepada kami speed RPM sugarcane machine biasa diorang running untuk industrial 1200 hingga 1400 1500 kan. Macam mana tiba-tiba pula engkau punya RPM 8 point, kan tak betul.
Sorry. Tadi tak betul doktor.
Maknanya tak betul.
Yang
Kepahaman tu tak betul. Kepahaman tu macam tak jelas. Macam kau tak faham apa benda yang kau buat sebenarnya. Ha.
Okay sir, basic kiraan untuk chosen RPM daripada literature 1200 RPM sebab dia moderate production, jadi kami ambil yang paling rendah 1200 hingga 1500, kami pilih 1200.
Okay, so therefore dalam aku punya software ni aku akan letak speed kau adalah 1200 RPM. Betul?
Yang RPM, ya.
Okay, good. And then tak kisahlah kau kira omega kau berapa based on kau punya RPM, kau akan dapat kau punya omega.
125.66 radian per second.
Okay, itu kau punya omega. Jadi aku nak tahu kau kira teori kau tadi berapa torque untuk mesin tu dengan 1200 tu.
8.415 Newton meter.
Okey, ni yang betul ni baru betul. 8.415
415 Newton meter.
Newton meter. Okey. So kau akan dapat 1.06 kilowatt.
Betul.
Alright. Itu untuk efisiensi 100%.
Ya.
Okay. Jadi dalam dunia sebenar, okey, sesuatu yang mustahil untuk dicapai efisiensi 100%.
Okey. Jadi saya
Let's say
assume
kita
efisiensi dia 90%.
90%. Oh tinggi. Okey, boleh lah.
Tak boleh
Kau punya
difference.
90%. Ha?
Tapi kiraan saya based on 90% lah sebab saya assume efisiensi dia 90%.
Yes, sebab tu ada, kau nampak kan kolom situ ada efisiensi kan? Okey, jadi saya ubah kepada 90%. Okey. So, kau punya power required berapa?
Power
Based on
required
90%.
kilowatt tu kan 1.17 kilowatt.
Okey, betul. Maknanya kau punya P required adalah 1.17 kilowatt. Okey. Sekarang ni kau dah pilih motor, kau dah cari katalog. So, apa motor yang berkenan di hati?
Yang saya jumpa ni karakteristik untuk 8-pole motor, dia punya power 1.5 kilowatt.
Okey, sekarang kau pilih 1.5 kilowatt. Alright. 1.5 kilowatt. Speed dia berapa?
1435 RPM.
1435
RPM.
RPM. Okey. Torque dia berapa?
9.967 Newton meter.
9.967. Okey. So info yang kau bagi tu adalah betul sebab kalau kau lihat dekat table bawah tu dia tulis P actual 1.5. Maknanya betul lah. Okay. Alright. Sekarang ni
Betul,
next step.
maknanya tu betul lah kan? Tak pening lah kan?
Dah betul lah.
Okey.
Okay, sekarang ni gear ratio by speed by torque berapa?
Kalau by speed senak yang RPM ke senak yang ratio terus?
Gear ratio.
Kalau ikutkan speed required 717.5. Jadi yang MG tu bahagi 2, jadi yang set 1 tu 1/2. Yang set lagi 1 tu 1/1.
No, kau kira dulu gear ratio by speed berapa?
Ratio by speed. Yang ni kan sir, Newton motor dengan Newton pula. Speed motor dengan speed required kan? Yang tu kan?
Yes.
717.5. 717.5.
Asal aku dapat 1.2?
Required untuk speed.
Software asal software dapat 1.2.
Kalau yang over yang tu 0.99 dengan 0.84 kat mana yang salah kira?
Macam nak kira gear ratio by speed?
By speed input motor divide by output required.
So, berapa? 14?
1435 per
Ha.
1450.
Bagi dengan?
1450.
Mana datang 1450?
Sabar ni. Sekejap. Yang output tu sir.
Yelah, output kau mana datang 1450? Tadi kau punya speed berapa kau bagi?
Sekejap.
Speed yang kau letak dalam kau punya calculation awal berapa?
Speed yang calculation awal. 1200 tu kan?
1200. Mana datang 1450?
Oh lah, salah letak. Ah, 1.19, 1.2.
Okay, by top?
By top 0.84.
Okay Alright. Okay, lepas tu baru kita select apa overall gear ratio yang kita nak. Okay. So, okay, aku sekejap sekarang kau punya ni berapa tadi? 1200
1200. Yang awal-awal tu kan sir, 1200.
Yelah, kau punya ni lah, kau punya setting machine lah 1200 lah. Oh, mati. Let's say aku cakap, let's say kita tukar, let's say 800. Bodoh tu laju
Tapi itu je yang kita orang dapat, semua RPM besar-besar.
Okay, tak kisahlah 1200 1.8 tadi kalau 1200 RPM dia ialah 1.2 tak ada beza. Okay, boleh dah. Okay, sekarang ni okay, by speed 1.2, by torque 0.8. Okay, sugarcane machine
Ya,
Alright.
betul.
Alright, so gear ratio kita nak pakai berapa ni?
Kalau yang ikut tu 1/2, 1/1 yang kami set. Tak tahu lah betul ke tak.
Okay, sekarang ni okay, overall 1.2, okay. Jadi kau pakai berapa? Berapa kali berapa? Kau dah kira sampai mana?
Overall gear ratio kalau ikutkan kiraan.
Kau dah kira buat sampai situ
Kita pakai
yang
2 kali 1 doktor.
2 kali 1 lah. Maknanya kau ambil gear ratio, overall gear ratio 2 lah.
Betul.
1/2, 1/1. 2 lah yang paling besar.
Okay, maknanya sebab sekarang ni kita okay 1.2. Okay lah, kita pakai 2 lah 2 gear ratio. Overall gear ratio 2. Okay. So kau punya speed 2, 1 Set 1, 2. Set 2, 1.
1, 2, 1, 1.
Tengok dalam skrin tu, maknanya 2, 2, 1. Set 1, 2. Set 2, 1.
Betul.
Okay, kau dah sampai mana calculation?
Sambungan dia Shiken yang buat.
Doktor dah sampai dapat safety factor.
Okay, good. Kau dah boleh proceed sampai habis. Okay. Ni betul tak? 90% load cycle.
Betul.
Okay. Gigi berapa?
Untuk gear set 1 doktor. Untuk gear 28.
28.
Untuk pinion Pinion
Pinion 1
Pinion 1 14.
14. Kau punya minimum gear berapa kau kira?
Minimum K yang mana doktor? Oh, minimum saya dapat 14.16.
14 poin?
16.
14.16
Ha.
Habis kau pakai berapa?
14.
Kalau ikut software ni, dia paling kecil propose 15.
Kena tukar ke doktor?
Safety factor dapat ni tak?
Safety factor
Safe ke
dapat.
okay?
Safe.
Okey lah, ikut kau punya lah, 14. Mungkin kalau ikutkan mungkin 14.5 something ni, sebab tu dia bagi 15. Kau dapat 14 point something. Okey, 14. Alright, modul face width.
Face width sekejap doktor. Mana ya face width? Sekejap doktor, saya tak jumpa pula. Mana face width? Mana ya? Okey doktor, face width saya Sekejap. Saya cari tak jumpa pula. Mana ya?
Excuse doctor.
Yes.
Doctor, at the last I got two questions, doctor. I want to ask, I got do some correction. Can I ask at the last, doctor?
Next meeting.
Okay.
25 doktor saya pakai face width.
Face width 25, kecil no.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right, modul.
Modul 2.5.
Okay. Grade.
Grade 2.
Okay, grade 2. Hardness berapa?
Hardness, sekejap. Mana ya? $240 doktor.
Okay. Gear 1.
Gear 1. Nilai apa Doktor?
Yalah, grade berapa? 1, 2.
Oh, grade 2 juga.
Grade 2. Hardness berapa?
200.
Doktor tak present.
Ya. Okay, uniform, light shop,
Sekejap.
working characters.
Moderate Doktor. Uniform.
Uniform, moderate, okay. Commercial, enclosed.
Mm-mm.
QV number?
QV 3.
3, okay. Equation yang tadi sepatutnya sama YN berapa betul? Ke kau nak ikut yang aku punya tu?
YN
Ha.
YN saya pakai. Sekejap Doktor.
Yang aku tunjuk tadi berapa sepatutnya? Aku pakai.
YN saya pakai 1.6831.
Okay. ZN?
ZN 2.466.
Hmm. Gear 1?
Gear 1 untuk YN Doktor.
Ha.
Sama Doktor.
ZN sama?
Ha.
Okay. Set 2?
Sekejap. Set 2 untuk number of stays, pinion 12. Lepas tu untuk gear pun saya dapat 12.
Yalah. Set 1.
Ah,
Sebelah 1.
betul.
Modul first week?
Modul 4.
Mhm.
First week, sekejap.
Puluh.
First week 20.
Okay. Then material grade.
Grade 2.
Hardness.
HBI sekejap. Sekejap saya tak cari tak jumpa. $400 dengan $320.
400 eh?
400.
Set berapa yang ni? Grade 2?
320.
320.
Mm-mm.
Okay. And then yang ni?
Apa tu doktor?
Mungkin karakter.
Sama macam tadi.
Moderate eh?
Moderate.
Commercial, QV 3. Yang ni? YN, ZN.
Sekejap doktor.
Siapa yang dekat airport tu?
Y. Oh, maaf doktor. YN sebagai 1.6831.
Kau nak terbang mana ni?
Dekat library doktor.
6.15 eh? 6 point? 6.15.
1.6831 atas sekali.
Okay. ZN?
ZN 2.466.
Lebih ada dia tu eh? Suruh keluar ke apa?
Mm-mm.
Lepas tu ya, set 2. Gear 2.
Sama juga.
1.68 eh?
Ha.
2.466.
Ha.
Nanti aku share tadi yang sebab tak sure kau ikut betul tak yang aku discuss dengan Raja ni. Tak sure nanti kena betul.
Okay.
Okay, so berapa kau dapat? Saya tak ada nombor ni. Apa yang missing ni?
Ada yang missing ke?
Okay, kita pakai 12. Pinion 1 kejap
Sekejap doktor, check balik yang dia set 1 tu.
$14.
14. Lepas tu untuk gear 28. Okay, lepas tu face width dia, jap.
Face speed
Face width 25.
Modul 2.5.
Model 25.
Okay, hardness 240.
Jap hardness, saya confirm balik. Betul doktor, 240 dengan 200.
Okay.
Lepas tu dia punya QV tu QV
Screen, kejap screen. Okay, apa tadi?
Sekejap doktor, saya tak dapat nak tengok saya punya word sini sebab dia dah hang. QV.
Okay, set 1 1.68, 2.4. Okay, set. Patutnya yang first kau pakai 1.44 Nanti betulkan. Nanti dalam WhatsApp. Okay, so dalam WhatsApp I share the correct equation if you use the the load di section 3 forward section 4. Cuba.
Doktor, untuk set 1 tu saya punya QV 3 dengan 4.
1, 3.
Mm-mm.
Q2, 4. Tapi kau punya ni masalah ni. Dia tak boleh kira sebab apa. Ni, number ni. Opinion ni. Cuba aku tukar sebab takut dia opinion ni, takut dia kecil. Cuba aku tukar 15. Tak boleh kira juga. Apa? 3.89. Tak masalah. 3.89. Okey, yang ini tadi sepatutnya ini 1.68. Ikutkan tadi berapa? 1.44 144. Okey, sini 1.44. Tak sure kenapa tak dia tak boleh calculate ni. Dapat berapa?
Saya dapat, sekejap. Untuk gear set 1, dia punya safety factor untuk bending, pinion 3.08. Lepas tu untuk gear 4.24. Untuk wear factor 1.64 untuk pinion. Lepas tu untuk gear 1.39.
Semula? Opinion?
Pinion untuk bending factor of safety 3.08. Untuk pinion wear factor of safety 1.64.
1.64. Sekarang screen 1.23 kan? 3.58 dengan 0.9.
Saya dapat lain. Saya dapat gear, saya dapat 4.24.
Ya, yang ini aku ingat tadi
Ke saya salah kira?
sekejap betulkan ini dulu. Ini betul tak? Set 2 ni. Set 2. Set 2 4.9 patutnya. .466. Okey. 4.9 sini. 4.94. 2.466. Okey, yang aku ingat sini should be something wrong. Tak apa, kejap. Okay, tak apa. Alright, yang okay. First, okay, tak apa. First, you just betulkan balik yang equation tu.
YN dengan ZN, Doktor.
YN, ZN,
Okay.
you betulkan balik ke dalam WhatsApp group tu. And then, yang ni betul tak?
Sekejap. Untuk set 1 betul.
Acting load semua betul
Tunggu. Sekejap. Saya dapat pinion 606
Yang mana?
untuk set 1 pinion.
Yelah, mana? Acting load
Acting load.
606. Okay. Apa lagi yang Reza? Ini sepatutnya lah, ini sepatutnya calculation yang patut dapat lah.
Oh, okay.
Tapi nanti kita boleh discuss lagi lah. So you boleh proceed juga untuk next untuk nanti kita sebab takut yang lain tu lama, should be ada kita ambil slot masa lagi lah. Okay. So far okay, and then I hope you dah boleh faham. Next boleh buat nilai. So the rest after you complete this okay, this fundamental lah, fundamental checking on your basic, and then should be next is you boleh proceed dengan shaft, boleh cari shaft. Okay, ini screen untuk macam mana saya akan define shaft lah. Okay, shaft maksudnya means that you kena tahu shaft you berapa panjang, every shaft, and then distance between end to end, bearing to bearing, position of pinion tu kat mana, you kena tahu that one. That one basic. Okay. Okay, so far okay. I think kena stop kat sini kita punya meeting kelas. Okay. So so that's how we proceed. Mana group yang able to give a better explanation in terms of the logic of your RPM, logic of your talk, and then we will proceed to the discussion using this software to double check your equation, your calculation. Okay, before we finish the class, around the table, any issue, any
Doktor
question?
boleh nak dapatkan Excel tu tak untuk kita orang check?
Oh, tak boleh, itu syarah sahaja ada.
Oh, okay.
Tak payah, I assume semua hadir. Nama. Ada lagi soalan? Okay, next week, as you know, next week will be our test 3. So a day before, a day after, I think on Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday. So Monday will be our last lectures lah. So I will cover another. We will discuss the last on the last chapter, non-permanent joint. Another a few equation to calculate some safety factor to continues our example of calculation. Okay, if there's no question, okay, so we will end here today class, and I hope every group seriously focus to at least to understanding the basic to find your power required respect to your area of study. Okay, so then I am satisfied, I check on this simple, and then you can continue. This is one of the way to avoid to make sure that you are proceed or you are doing your project your own project, original project lah. Okay, thanks for coming. See you again.